Hello everyone, Brandon here at Impeccabilities, powered by Kaizenk. Today I'm going to be showing you our process for cleaning squeegees. So we use this little mechanism here now. All you want to do, the first thing you want to do is make sure that it's filled with Aussie juice. If it's not, then you would turn this on right here and fill it up. But in this case it's filled up already, so I'm going to go ahead and turn this off. And then you're going to want to just set your squeegee here. And then you're going to want to grab your drill, which we keep over here. And when doing this, all you want to do is feather this. And what we mean by feather is you just kind of want to push in like that. And that's how you can gauge. If you did something like this, like it would shoot Aussie juice all over the place. So first you want to insert this little attachment into the slot here. And then again, you just want to feather it. So you want to hold your squeegee up here and then just feather this. And then it should, just like that, getting some more. So as you can see, there's still some on the sides there, so I'm going to keep kind of working at it. Just like that. And then when I see that I have some left over there, I just kind of grab my rag that I have in here and kind of go at the sides and get it off. But yeah, that's how you would use this little mechanism that we have here. Thank you.